Hi traders, welcome to Daily Forex Analysis by Trade with Asim and Sajjad. Today we are expecting some high impact news. At 4:30 GMT, we are expecting RBI interest rate decision and RBI rate statement. We can expect some huge volatility during these hours. I'm expecting a bigger spike, or it can move higher to 50 to 100 pips. If you want to trade this news event, you can enter into the trade before 10 minutes. It's advisable to trade with pending orders. And then later at 8:30 GMT, we have construction PMI for GBP. And then in the evening, we have Fed Chair Powell's speech, a very important occasion. We can expect some strength for US dollar. Let's move to dollar index. Yesterday we saw steady and positive movement in dollar index. It started well. It moved higher to 95.31. Then we saw a smaller correction. It bounced back from 95.0, and from that level it looks stronger. It went up all the way. Right now it's again going for a smaller correction. I'm expecting today it can target 95.76 and above. On the other hand, we can see a drop in a dollar index. It can drop to 95.0, and if it couldn't hold this support level, then it's dropping to 94.92 and below. Yesterday euro was weaker against US dollar, and we saw a drop in euro USD. We didn't see much strength from buyer's side, though in the UK session for a few hours it went higher, but then we saw a bigger rejection, and then it dropped to 1.1565. But I'm expecting it will drop again to 1.1528 and below. On the 15-minute chart, we can see it's moving below 100 moving average. It did try to rally a couple of times, but every time the price got rejected, and right now it has bounced back from 1.1565, but I'm seeing it as a flat. Pound dollar didn't move much yesterday. The only bigger move was when there were headlines regarding Irish border. We saw this bigger spike, but then it lost all the gains, and right now it's just struggling hard. As long as it's below 100 moving average, I'm bearish on pound dollar. Later in the US session, I'm expecting a bigger drop again, and it can drop all the way to 1.2913 and below. Canadian government went for the last minute agreement on NAFTA, and we saw a bigger drop in USDCAD pair. It opened with the gap down. We were expecting it will fill up the gap, but it didn't. It kept dropping down. It has bounced back from 1.2785. My today's targets are 1.2734. I'm expecting it will drop to 1.2734, and from here we can expect a bigger correction. It can go all the way to 1.2900. Gold bounced back on Friday. It rallied to 1193, but then on Monday it started dropping down. While from 1184 it bounced back again very strongly. It looked like it's going to break 1192, but then in the next hour we saw a bigger drop. Right now it's struggling again, though I'm neutral on gold, but I'm still expecting it can again try to break 1194. If it can break this level, then it's heading to 1198. NASDAQ 100 looked much better in the morning. It rallied to 7701, and from there it started dropping down. Right now it has bounced back from 100 moving average. If in the next few hours it closes above 7680, it can again retest 7701. On the other hand, if it keeps dropping down, then I'm targeting 7590. So guys, that's all about our today's video. Thank you very much for watching.